Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public laundry machines in the UK. First, you'll want to find a convenient laundrette. Many can be found using online maps or simply by asking locals. Before heading out, it's a good idea to check their operating hours and the types of machines available. Don't forget to bring all your laundry, your preferred detergent, fabric softener, and enough coins or a payment card for the machines. Being prepared makes the process much smoother. Once you're at the laundrette, open the washing machine door and carefully load your clothes. It's important not to overfill the machine, as this can prevent your laundry from getting properly clean. Next, add your detergent and any fabric softener into the designated compartments, which are usually clearly labeled. Then, choose the wash cycle that best suits your garments, considering factors like fabric type and how soiled your items are. Most machines offer several options. Now it's time to pay for your wash. Most public laundry machines accept either coins, typically £1 or £2 coins, or contactless card payments. Simply insert the correct amount or tap your card on the reader. Make sure the machine confirms your payment has gone through and that it's ready to start. Once confirmed, press the Start button. The machine will then begin its cycle, which usually takes around 30 to 45 minutes, depending on your selection. After your wash cycle finishes, carefully transfer your clean, wet clothes into one of the available tumble dryers. These machines also require payment, similar to the washers. Choose the drying temperature and duration that's best for your fabrics. A medium heat for 30 minutes is often a good starting point. Pay for the dryer, press Start, and once it's done, collect your wonderfully clean and dry laundry. Remember to remove your items promptly to be considerate of others.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.